Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode I will be planting this beautiful terracotta elephant planter which previously housed the sweet Alyssum which sadly died. So now I think the only plants that can make this stunning planter more stunning would be succulents. So here you go. Before adding the plants, I will be breaking the topsoil like this to aerate the old soil that was already there in the container. A well draining soil mix is very important. So, as a thumb rule, add sand and compost of 50% each. These are some of my old arrangements, and for succulents especially, you would need to keep replanting it because they might outgrow the container, look leggy, etc. So I'm going to use this beautiful echeveria, which is called the Pearl von Nürnberg, which usually has this purple to lavender color in the middle, but this one for some reason is losing that color. It could most probably be because of aging. So this will be my centerpiece, and all the other succulents like this white grey echeveria and these sedums, big and small, will only be complementing this centerpiece. Now, to give this arrangement a flow, I will be adding the sedum linea variegatum, which will cascade beautifully from the container, and taking advantage of the height of this terracotta elephant, I will be adding the Senecio herrienis, or the string of tears or beads as some people call it. These two are not rooted and they are just cuttings, but don't worry, they will form roots within a week or two. Now, to cover the bald spots, I will be adding this tiny sedum which will also form roots very soon and cover up the container in no time. Now water the arrangement and keep it under a shady area which gets bright but indirect sunlight. I water my succulents every day during summer and reduce it during winters depending on how wet the soil gets. I don't add any kind of fertilizer and they do just fine. I must add here that I created this arrangement on Friday and will wait for it to get bigger, better, and bolder in the times to come. So keep watching the community space for updates on this, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for future updates. The links are given below. So thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.